Check out the studio. It is dedicated. And kudos to you. Well done, Mr. Robert.
Me?
Yes.
For what?
Well, just sticking it out, enjoying the conversations.
Oh,
It's something to be celebrated because day one was in my old office in a boardroom. We had to set up the podcast equipment, the cameras each and every week. Now we've got the tripods in the corner. Everything's doing itself. The mics are here. We've got a nice neon sign because it was never a real podcast without a neon sign. Thanks to my lovely wife for the Christmas present. Even though it doesn't change colours, it's okay. We've gotten over that. We've had a discussion. We've gone to therapy. We're happy with the white and the black background.
You've decided.
Robbie came in on the weekend and sprayed all these wires black, so the contrast looks fantastic now. But we've come a long way. A long way from early days of let's just start a podcast to now having a dedicated room in our office, in our brand new office.
It's also been small iterations.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like it was like, okay, cool, let's do this. Okay, cool, let's do that. Hey, we should probably have something to talk about. Hey, let's do this at the start of the episode. Hey, let's start doing this now. Hey, do this with the mic. Hey, don't put the thing upside down. Hey, let's get a neon sign. Hey, let's move to this office. Hey, let's get 3 angles. Hey, get this camera. You know what I mean?
It's been interesting.
Hey, use
like
this.
you were trying different things each and every time. And you're going to need to do that in your business to try different things each time. Like we're saying now, I'm going to have the team's buy-in. Will that work? Hope so.
We'll tell you.
Yeah, we'll tell you. Well, maybe it doesn't. Maybe I'll walk away going, how good was that? I've got my set business values. Even though I know in my own head what I want the business to be representing, we've got a whole bunch of set business values that everyone can look at and everyone can talk about and we can implement and now live and breathe it. Or we turn around and say, look, that exercise cost me $5,000, didn't work out. I'm going to do it this way. And then that way takes off and then that way works. You need to try things. You need to take some risks in your business. You need to take some risks in your life because that is how you're going to get ahead when you do the same shit that everyone else does. Because I guarantee you, I've had rooms full of mentees of 20, 30 close people who are being trained by me. Go around the room with every single one of them. How many of them do you reckon have their business values?
I've done this with a room full of people. No one.
No one.
Yeah. No
one.
Yeah.
It is zero.
And for those of you who have done it, I reckon it would be a very small, so it'd be a small percentage who have done it.
Yep.
And then it would be an even smaller percentage who can recite it.
And maintain it.
Yeah.
That's
Do you know what I mean?
right.
People just like, what are your values? Like, oh, 1 sec. And I've done that. I've done that too.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? And 1 sec, let me
Let me get you.
find my
get on the website.
Google Doc.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know what I mean? Got them
Yes.
written down somewhere.
That's
And
right.
it's like,
so there's
well,
no buy-in even by you.
You're not
How are you
even-
going to get that with your team?
You're not convinced. You don't think it's a genuine set of principles to live
Yeah.
by in your business or to operate by.
Without a doubt. Without a doubt. So take those risks in your business because they will pay off. They will pay off. I mean, you did it we do it at every event, actually. Every event we have, at some stage throughout that event, you put your hand up. Do you tell people to put their hand up if they are running ads? And it's always less than 5% of the room will put their hand up. And you're cool. Well done for running ads. Keep your hand up if you're spending $5,000 a month.
No one.
They all go down. And it's like, that's the game. And that's not even a lot. Do you know what I mean? That's not even a lot of money in the grand scheme of things of what you could be doing and could be paying. You're spending $5,000 a month, $60,000 a year. And what if that $60,000 got you 10 projects, which netted you $300,000, $400,000, $500,000?
That's the game though.
But no one pays. No one plays it. Why? It's because they don't take risks because this is how we've always done it. I'm a referral-based business. Some this, some this, some this. Okay, keep being that.
I saw this thing the other day, this video, and the guy said, what's the difference between 6 and 7-figure businesses and 8-figure businesses? He goes, I'll tell you what the main difference is. 8-figure businesses have worked out how to turn cold traffic into paid customers.
Yes, so true.
Yeah. He's like, everyone else, you all banking on your referrals. He goes, and that's great. He goes, but it's only going to get you so far.
Yeah.
You want to become, you know what I mean? Like the big businesses and like say, dude, look at like the Apples of the world. I'm going to share this this will come out after the event, but I'm going to share this at the event. And Google spent $40 million to have an ad play at the Super Bowl. It's $8 million for every 30 seconds at a 2.5 minute ad. Google. Is there anyone you know that doesn't know the brand?
Yeah.
Anyone? Do you think they just got 40 mil where they're like, hey, look, what do we do with this 40 mil? Buy an ad. No, it's strategic.
Well, they kind of do.
Yeah, but they've got the money there.
Yeah.
Of course they've got the money there. But like, they don't have to spend it on that.
No,
They obviously understand.
the game.
They understand the game. You know what I mean? 2.5 minutes.
Prime
Most
time.
expensive ad in the world, I
Yeah.
think.
Most eyeballs on the TV at that time. Everyone, like, man, I would tune into the halftime show and the ads more than I would the game. Honestly.
Yeah. And you got to ask yourself, what do they know that I don't?
Go and Google Super Bowl, the 2025 Super Bowl ads. And I guarantee you on YouTube, it'll have hundreds of millions of views.
I've watched it. Sick.
But I mean the views on it. So people's eyeballs, it's not just the actual live event going on, it's what happens following, getting the 200 million views on YouTube because people are watching that Doritos ad, they're watching the Google ad, they're watching the fucking Chrysler ad.
Jeep ad.
Yeah, whatever it is.
Yeah.
So,
Few good ads.
yeah, but they're quirky, they're funny, they're like people, they're entertaining. They're entertaining. And you're like, oh, cool, I want some Doritos.
Yeah, but you gotta ask and say, what do they know that I don't? Like, how do they understand how to play this game to
Yeah.
level? And I'm not.
Yeah. And if you don't know, go and find people that do.
Yeah,
That's what it comes down to. And that's why we're going to the States in a couple of weeks. We're going there to speak to someone who knows the things that we don't and to find out how he went. And for those of you that are asking or thinking or don't know who we're talking about, we're going to go see Alex Hormozy in Las Vegas and also Grant Cardone as well. Going to have dinner with each of them, have a chat, catch up on the good times. But we're going there spending a decent amount of time and money away from our family, away from our business, away from our friends, and to invest that in ourselves.
Yeah, and we'll make sure we let you know how it goes.
We'll tell you everything.
Everything.
But the only way for us to tell you
Well, we'll tell you, but the only way to make sure you hear it.
is if you subscribe.
That was a long loop. Subscribe.
If you like that clip and you want to watch another one, click just over here. And if you want to watch the full episode, click just over here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.